Hello friends, it's Danielle and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you take a few minutes out of your day to visit, so thank you and I appreciate it. Today's card is in honor of Autoimmune Disease Awareness Month, and I'll talk to you more about that in a second. So my project today is quick, it's clean and simple. It doesn't take a lot of tools and it's really easy to replicate. As the video goes on, I think I keep it in real time, so you'll see how I put it together um, and the products I use, etc. As you saw in the beginning, I show you a few of the Copic markers I use for the very little coloring that I do. I have a scrap piece of paper, a rainbow scrap piece of paper from my stash. I use one stamp set. I'll show you that in a second. And I have white cardstock that I use for layering and for my card base. If you want more details on the products that I use and some links uh, and any additional information on the card itself, you can visit my blog at parentingandpapercrafts.com, where motherhood and card making intersect. So as I started off in the video, the card today is in honor of Autoimmune Disease Awareness Month. March is National Autoimmune Disease Awareness Month. Our friend Tara over at Mayhem Crafts has organized the hop to raise awareness, spread information, and increase knowledge about autoimmune issues. The name of the hop is Autoimmune Awareness Hop. No one fights alone. Each of us have crafted a project in support, and you'll have to be sure to hop along to see all the different projects we put together, and those details will be in the description of this video. So in preparation of this video, I did do a little research in an effort to be able to articulate a few thoughts clearly. So I'm going to be referring to my notes, and don't worry, it's going to be really short. I'm not a doctor. My profession is in IT. So yeah, I'll just leave it at that. So to start, I wanted to just give you a brief description of autoimmune disease. So our immune system is a group of cells and organs which is designed to protect our bodies from outside invaders. All of the cells and organs work together to help protect from harmful bacteria and viruses that can make you sick. So when your system works the way it should, it can tell the difference between good cells and bad cells. And for some of us, our immune system, it just doesn't know the difference and can sometimes excuse me, mistake our body's own cells as foreign and attack them. And then the attack can have almost an effect on almost any part of the body, and then that causes your body to become sick with an autoimmune disease. There are hundreds of autoimmune diseases. Where I'm getting my information is from the American Autoimmune Related Diseases Association, AARDA. It's the only national organization dedicated to addressing the problem of autoimmunity, the major cause of over 100 serious chronic diseases. So if you want to find out more information, it's going to be in the description of this video, but you can make note at aarda.org. aarda.org. All right, so I just want to focus our attention to the card project at hand. You saw me, what did I do first? I showed you the products I use. I folded the card base. It's a top fold. I adhered my rainbow pattern paper to a layer of cardstock. I'm now taking the image and the sentiment and just adhering all those layers. I think, again, if you wanted to know more about the products I use, just visit my blog, parentingandpapercrafts.com, and you'll be able to get all that information. So as you can see, the card is pretty simple. I'm finishing it off with, or I should back up. The card is pretty simple. Yes, we have established that. So I print the image along with the sentiment, I do a little coloring with Copic markers. I trim down the pattern paper, adhere to a card layer, or yeah, cardstock. I make layers. So I have one, two, it's 3 layers altogether. The pattern paper is on top of a trimmed down piece of cardstock. And then I added foam adhesive to that to give dimension. And with the focal point, the image, the rainbow, along with the sentiment, I cut that out using a circle dot die, and I put dimensionals from Stampin' Up to add dimension as well. And I adhered all those layers onto the card base. I finish it off with my Wink of Stella and glossy accents. And I'm showing you the card there a little bit. Oh, you probably can't see it on the video, but if you look, if you had the opportunity to see it in person, there was a little dot. And I don't know if it was something that I did or, well, obviously it was something I did. But anyway, there was a little dot. So I took my gel pen, my white gel pen, to just clean that up. And then there you have it. Choose kindness. Um, so thank you so much for visiting. I appreciate it. If you like this card and my other videos, or if you want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. You can visit me at my blog or Instagram. And I thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.